Number system, divisibility rules. So if I want to divide any number with 2, 3, 4, we need to follow some certain rules. What are the basic rules? Just look at here. What is the divisibility rule for 2? If I want to divide any number with 2, what is the basic rule in the sense? Unit digit is multiple of 2. Unit digit is multiple of 2. So examples will be if any number ends with multiple of 2. So that will be equal to 20, 24, 1,50,000 and also 1980. All are ends with so 400. So unit digits are either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If any number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the total number is divided by 2 table. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Divisibility rule for 3 will be equal to sum of all digits divided by 3. Sum of all digits divided by 3. Where we are getting remainder will be equal to 0. And the examples are 2, 5, 7, 8, 6, 1, 4, 9, 2, 4. Is the given number is divisible by 3 table. In the sense, we need to add all the values. What is the sum in the sense? We need to add all the values. Instead of adding all the values, what is the other method to find out divisibility rule for 3 in the sense? In 3 table, we are having 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. In the given numbers, so wherever you are getting 3, 6, 9, we need to cancel all the values. So 3, 6, 9. So 7 plus 2 will be equal to 3 threes are 9. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So next one will be equal to 9 is cancelled. 2 plus 4 is cancelled. 5 plus 4 is also cancelled. 6 is also cancelled. In the sense all the numbers are cancelled. Total number is divisible by 3 table. Next, what is the divisibility rule for 4? What is the divisibility rule for 4 in the sense? If last 2 digits is divisible, then the total number is divisible. Or last 2 digits will be 00. Last 2 digits is 00. Then the total number is divisible. So examples will be 2024 or 2000. So 2024 or 2000. What is the divisibility rule for 5? Divisibility rule for 5 will be equal to unit digit is either 0 or 5. So divisibility rule for 6 will be equal to multiplication of 2 into 3. Multiplication of 2 into 3. What is the divisibility rule for 7? So divisibility rule for 7, we are having some method. So that will be equal to, so whatever the number you are taking, so given number will be equal to, is that given number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is divisible by 7 in the sense we need to take remaining number minus 2 times of unit digit. Remaining number minus 2 times of unit digit. What is the unit digit of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is nothing but unit digit of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be equal to 5 and the remaining number will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2 times of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2 5s are 10. So that will be equal to if I subtract 1, 2, 2, 4. Is that 1, 2, 2, 4 is divisible by 7 in the sense again we need to take remaining number minus unit digit. 122 minus 2 times of 4 will be equal to 122 minus 8 will be equal to 114. Is the given number is divisible by 7 in the sense 114 is not divisible by 7. So don't go with this method. So directly we'll go with the general method. What is the general method is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Remainder will be equal to 53. 7 sevens are 49. Remainder will be equal to 44, 42, 25. In 7 table, we are not getting 25 in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not divisible by 7 table. So if you are going with this method, we need to remember this concept remaining number minus 2 times of unit digit. It will take more time. So by general method, it will take less time. So we'll go with the normal method only. Okay. Divisibility rule for 8. Rule 8 equal to last 3 digits. If last 3 digits is divisible, then the total number is divisible. 840. 840 is exactly divisible by 8 tables. 2024. In 2024, last 3 digits will be equal to 0 to 4. 24 is multiplication of 8 tables. Rule 9. Rule 9 will be equal to sum of all digits divided by 9, where we are getting remainder is 0. So, is that given number is divisible by 9? How to find out in the sense? Is the given number is divisible by 9 in the sense, no need to add all the values. We have to check where we are getting 9. 9 ones are 9. So 9 will be cancelled, 8 plus 1 cancel, 7 plus 2 is cancel, 1 plus 8 is cancel, 5 plus 4 is cancel. We are left with 1 plus 3 equal to 4, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, 6 plus 3 equal to 9. So we are left with remaining numbers are 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So what is the smallest number? To add this number to make it divisible by 9 table. It's nothing but 5 plus x equal to 9, where x equal to 4. We need to add 4 so that the given number is divisible by 9 table. What is the divisibility rule for 11? So divisibility rule for 11 will be equal to sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Sum of odd places minus sum of even places is equal to 0 or multiple of 11. 0 or multiple of 11 will be equal to 1331. 1331 will be equal to 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 1 will be equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 14641 is equal to 1 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 8. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 8 minus 8 will be equal to 0. Next, divisibility rule for 12 will be equal to 3 into 4. Don't write 2 into 6. If I write 2 into 6, again, we need to follow divisibility rule for 6 will be equal to 2 into 3. So divisibility rule for 12 will be equal to, we need to take co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are 3 into 4. Okay. If the number 517 star 324 is completely divisible by 3, then the smallest whole number in place of star will be. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Sum of all the values divided by 3, where we are getting remainder is 0. No need to go with that method. So write down 517 star 324. So divisibility rule for 3 will be equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Where we are getting 3, 6, 9, we have to cancel all the values. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12. So we are left with only 1 plus x. So and we are following the divisibility rule for 3. 3 ones are 3. So whatever the value we are having, it is less than 3. We need to find out smallest number only. So that will be equal to where x equal to 2. If I want to find out largest number is nothing but, so 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 1 plus x equal to 9, where x equal to 8. Smallest number equal to 2, largest number equal to 8. Which digit should come in place of star and dollar if the number 62684 star dollar is divisible by both 8 and 5? So divisibility rule for 8 will be equal to last 3 digits. Divisibility rule for 5 will be equal to unit digit is either 0 or 5. Compulsory, it has to be ends with 0 or 5. So by looking the options, unit digit is ends with 0, unit digit is ends with 4. This option is eliminated. So we are having 3 options, and the last your divisibility rule for 8 will be equal to last 3 digits. So in that given numbers, last 3 numbers will be equal to 4AB. And options are, it may be last 2 digits is 40, or else last 2 digits are 50, last 2 digits are 445. So if you look at the values, all are more than 400 plus. 400 is exactly divisible by 8 table, where we are getting remainder is 0. So we are left with 40, 50, 45. What are the numbers we are getting in 8 table? So number we are getting in 8 table will be equal to 40. So the answer will be equal to first option will be the answer. Next. The number 311 is given 7 times. So and the options are divisible by 3 but not by 11. Divisible by 11 but not by 3. Divisible by both 3 and 11. Neither divisible by 3 nor divisible by 11. So we can't take total 311 7 times. We are taking individual number of times. So that will be equal to 311. So if I take 311 one time, so if I divide 11 table, what is the divisibility rule for 11 will be equal to sum of odd minus sum of even. 3 plus 1 will be equal to 4. 4 minus 1, we are not getting 0 or 11. In the sense, when we take single digit, it is not divisible by 11 table. It is not divisible by 11 table. It is also not divisible by 3 table. If I take 2 times 311, 311. If I take 2 times, is that given number is divisible by 3 table, in the sense it is not divisible by 3 table. Why? Because sum of all digits. So 3 will be cancelled. 1 we are getting 4 times. 4 is not multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3 table. So when we take 2 times, it is not divisible by 3 table. So is the given number is divisible by 11 table, in the sense we need to take sum of odd minus sum of even. 3 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 will be equal to 5 minus 5 will be equal to 0. So if I take 2 times, the given number is divisible by 11 table, but it is not divisible by 3 table. Next, if I take 3 times, 311, 311, 311. So 311, 311, 3 times. 3 is getting 3 times, 1 is getting 6 times. 3 is getting 3 times, in the sense 3 3s are 9. 1 is getting 6 times, in the sense 1 into 6 will be equal to 6. It is divisible by 3 table. What about 11 table? Is nothing but sum of odd minus sum of even. 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 will be equal to 9. 9 minus 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 9 minus 6, we are not getting 0 or 11. In the sense, it is not divisible by 11. So if I take 1 time, it is not divisible by 3 and 11. If I take 2 times, it is divisible by 11 table, but it is not divisible by 3 table. If I take 3 table, it is divisible by 3 table, but it is not divisible by 11 table. So total 311 is given 7 times. 7 is not multiplication of 7, we are not getting in 2 table. 7 we are not getting in 3 table. So in the sense, so whatever the given number, it is not divisible by 3 nor divisible by 11. If the number 42573 star is exactly divisible by 72, then the minimum value of star will be equal to, this question we can done easily. What is the, so we need to divide by 72 table. In 72, what is the units place in the sense 2? What is the divisibility rule for 2? Unit digit is even number. By using options, what is the units place we are having? Even number we are having 6. Only one option we are having 6. So the answer will be equal to 4, 2, 5, 7, 3, 6. Okay. What is the divisibility rule for 72? 72 will be equal to 8 into 9. So what is the divisibility rule for 8? Last 3 digits. 736. Is that 736 is divisible by 8 table in the sense? Yes, it is divisible by 8 table. 8 9 the 72. Remainder will be equal to 16. Yes, it is divisible by 8 table. What about 9 table in the sense? Divisibility rule for 9 will be equal to where we are getting 9. Sum will be equal to 9. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. So all the numbers are cancelled. We are getting remainder is 0. Here also remainder is 0. Answer will be equal to 6. What could be the maximum value of y in the following equation given that neither xyz is 0, 5x8 plus 3y4 plus 2z1 will be equal to 1103. So if I add all the values 5x8, 3y4, 2z1, 5 plus 8 plus 4 equal to 12, 12 plus 1 equal to 13. So 5 lastly 5 plus 3 equal to 8, 8 plus 2 equal to 10. But we need to get 11 in the sense whatever the sum 1 plus x plus y plus z. So here we are getting 11. To get 11, this should be carrying will be equal to 1. In the sense this should be 0 and this should be 10. So x plus 1 plus x plus y plus z equal to 10 and 1 goes to right side. This will be equal to x plus y plus z equal to 9 and neither of the values are 0 and neither of the values are 0 is nothing but we need to take other than 0 smallest value will be equal to 1. We need to find out y value x and z will be equal to 1, y will be equal to y equal to 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Maximum value of y equal to 7.